In the era of full arch implant dentistry, we're seeing a huge shift from analog workflows to fully digital workflows, whether that being photogrammetry extraorally or intraorally, horizontal scan bodies. So if you're in the industry of switching to digital and you don't know where to start, another great workflow is OPTISPLINT. That kind of is another category between horizontal and photogrammetry. So I have Autumn Shoemaker from Digital Arches with us. So the first question, Autumn, first of all, thank you for being here. The first question is, to people that don't know what OPTISPLINT is or Arch Tracer is, maybe in simple terms, in layman terms, what is OPTISPLINT and Arch Tracer, and how does that differentiate from all the other digital workflows out there?
Yeah, great question, Dr. Imam. So the OPTISPLINT is really the beautiful bridge between the analog to the digital workflow. It's a scannable verification jig. And I don't want you to get PTSD seeing or hearing, verification jig. It is something that's going to be super simple and easy to use, so you can jump into that digital workflow.
So whether it's the surgical stage or the restorative phase after the patient's healed, it's the same. They could use OPTISPLINT for both workflows to capture the implant position. But for people that don't know, what is it about OPTISPLINT that's different than like photogrammetry and horizontal scan body? What's like the biggest advantage?
Yeah, so that is another great question as well. One of the biggest advantages of the OPTISPLINT is that you can actually port a verification jig with it. In addition to that, as opposed to all the other systems out there currently, you do not scan the OPTISPLINT in the mouth for the temporization or for the final. Now, you could do it if you're going to be using it for alignment, but our recommended validated workflow is to create that OPTISPLINT in the mouth and remove it and scan it extraorally. Why? The reason why behind that is because we want to reduce those microns of error that happen with intraoral scanning.
Right. So it's bridging the gap between analog and digital.
100%.
So Autumn, another question that's commonly asked, I know OPTISPLINT is a direct to MUA, right, workflow. What implant systems is it usually compatible with?
Yeah, so, obviously we're compatible with the Glidewell HT system out there. You would order the Nobel kit or just have Glidewell send you out the appropriate kit. But really, we're compatible with almost every system out there. I will say there are a few that we aren't compatible with. There's some that are coming out of Israel right now and out of Turkey that have slightly different platform. But as long as the implant system that you're working with has the standard 4.8 type MUA platform, then it works hand in hand. Basically, you just need to know what type of driver you have. Now, if you're ordering for Straumann or MIS, those are going to be extremely different because the Straumann system has a longer screw, which we have compatibility for, and MIS, which is 1.6, is also compatible. So just work with your Glidewell lab representative, and they'll be able to set you up with the right kit that you need.